acting like I was part of your progress. Remember laying all the times you fought with me. I'm surprised you got it.
Okay, get up. Let me know when I'm ready, okay? Ready to go. Quit, Seth. I want to make it move.
It looks like something invisible smacking him on the camera. That's so cool.
Motherfucker, Seth, you're hitting me.
Seth? He's trying to get his nose. Okay, that's his mouth.
Quit moving. You move. Well, he's hurting me with that whoopper. He just yanked this out of his nose. Oh, there is. Quit moving. Don't move.
I wish I could zoom.
No, get that away from me. It's hurting me really seriously, okay? Quit it.
He broke it.
Stop. You stop. I whooped your hand's ass. Hey, can I show my balls on it?
No, this goes on YouTube.
Oh. Ow, stop. Pussy. We need to start thinking about shit. I hope not. No, I'm not thinking about shit. I'll give you some shit to think about. Yes, I'm going to fucking live out here in the woods.
No, you're not, Carl.
I am ready. I got a knife, but I will fucking get the animal out here.
You won't live in... No.
Yes, I have before for a month. I went camping and got lost at fucking...
Got lost?
That's when I found out all the ways around my house.
Dude.
What? Dude. Nothing. I don't know.
Dude. Dude.
I'm lost.
You're lost?
I know you're lost. I'm completely lost. Dude. I have to find my way back up there. Dude. No, dude, you gotta find your brain first. Dude. Dude. I'm serious, man. Dude. Hey, penis. Penis, Raymond. Penis. There's a snake right there.
Where?
There's a snake right there.
No, there's not.
Yeah.
You fucker. I'm like, where?
Do you like penis, Raymond? Penis, do you like it? Penis.
Do you like... Hold up.
Do you want a woman, Raymond?
Do you like... Hold up. To be honest with you, nothing about that. Do you like Canadian bacon?
Canadian bacon.
Canadian bacon is ham.
Raymond.
Do you like Canadian bacon?
Canucking a wagon at a place called Tucker with a girl named
Shut up.
Linda Lou. When there was a man with a gun in his hand, he was looking for you know who.
Don't start though.
He said, hey,
I'm gonna fall.
Record him, Chris.
I'm recording all of y'all.
Motherfucker.
Are you trying to pick it up?
No, I'm trying to break this part.
I don't want to live in the woods.
Ow! I just...
Oh,
wow, I just got your ass on camera.
Keep singing, Raymond.
I can't.
Keep singing.
I felt good.
That felt good.
Keep singing, Raymond.
What happened?
I slipped.
Krista, get Raymond.
I'm getting Raymond.
Hey, thank God these boots are waterproof. Look at that, never went up.
These aren't, but...
That's why we're...
Hey, YouTube, you want to see my penis?
No!
How about my nuts?
It's too small.
No.
It is way too fucking small
You
for
want to
TV.
see my brain?
Ryan, I would do it, but I'd rather not.
That's okay. I'm looking...
YouTube, look over here.
No, we're looking at the floor.
YouTube, look over here.
No.
Better step back so I'm dropping this bitch.
Oh, I was like, please don't hit me with that.
May not need water. Let me look.
Stop.
Krista saw my penis.
Stop, move.
Hi, honey. Hey!
Hey, I'm gonna walk this through.
Do not fall.
No, I'm going through.
Ow.
Let me play it. On record.
Oh, fucking shit.